Raw Aussie Athlete.
So here at a farm in Canterbury, Thailand, 100% no chemicals. It's 200 rye, it's like 95 acres. And look at the beautiful fruit they produce. No chemicals, nature knows best. Durian trees, they've got a 20-year-old long Kong tree over there, looks amazing. Big old durian tree here. Ants in Thailand here come up in the trees and make this nest inside. I guess it rains so much that in the tropics that it doesn't work to have nests underground, so they've gone into the tree. Chai. Red ant. Chai.
We're gonna have this.
Here we are in Thailand, Canterbury, Thailand, at a durian buffet on the farm, and we're getting a train ride. It's super fun. There's like the banana boat there.
Oh, what happened? Are we going up that now?
Yeah, everywhere.
We go.
It's 90 acres. Oh, super
Hey,
old.
dog! Hi, dog!
Swaddy cup. Okay, here's more dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, a lot.
Like, subscribe, visit, add, and follow Raw Aussie Athlete.